Hello. Today we will show you how you can make a GDPR compliant sign-up form with Benchmark Email. What you'll do is add a checkbox that asks your visitors to accept your privacy policy. This might be called something different depending on the site you run. Doing so can help your site stay compliant, help you maintain a good reputation with your subscribers, and even grow your contact list. Before we get started, you'll need to copy the HTML code provided in the FAQ and paste it on a note or text pad. You'll replace only the URL www.yourdomain.com with your site's privacy policy page. Save it, you'll need it later. First, let's create a new list, or you can select an existing one. Click on Edit, and on the Data Field Settings, toggle the slider to the right. For this example, I'll use the field Extra 6. Now we can go ahead and change the field's name to Privacy Policy, or another name you prefer. Remember, you will have to recognize this field later. Next, we'll change the field type to true or false and click on Save. What this does is, if it's false, the subscriber won't and can't be added to your list. You'll see what this means in just a few seconds. Now that your list is ready, we can move to your sign-up form. We have two sign-up forms that provide the extra fields, the embedded form and the pop-up form. For this example, we'll use the embedded form. Choose the list you modified with the GDPR field and click on Save and Next. Now you'll see a screen with your sign-up form. Go ahead and customize it by adding an image as a header, adding fields, and adjusting its appearance. When done, click on the More Options icon and then click on Select Fields. Scroll down and check the privacy policy field you edited earlier. To exit, click on the gray area or click on the back arrow. You can see the field now added in your sign-up form. Click on the field and change the type to Check. Make sure to check the Required box. This will force your visitors to either accept your privacy policy or not. Keep in mind, this is a mandatory rule from GDPR. Remember that HTML code we edited earlier? Pull it up as we'll need to use it now. In the Answers field, add the HTML code that contains your privacy policy page. You can add some text if wanted, such as I accept. Finish editing your form and click on Save and Next when done. That's it. Your sign-up form is ready and your subscribers can trust that the data they are providing is confidential and that you are GDPR compliant.